The goal of the competitor mention strategy is to get mentioned in relevant blogs that have recently written about your competitors. For example, this article has mentioned several tools including Ahrefs for recruiting affiliate partners. This would be a great spot to mention Respona as well. So let's see how Respona can help you find such opportunities. We'll start by entering our company and company domain into the company name and company domain fields, Respona and Respona.com. Then you'll do the same but for your competitor in the next two fields. We will use Ahrefs and Ahrefs.com. In the target niche field, enter the general themes of your prospect's articles to narrow down the search to websites relevant to your niche. In our case, these will be affiliate marketing, SEO, and content marketing. We also recommend using Respona's AI keyword suggestions to generate 20 additional keyword ideas and greatly expand your search. In this example, I can ask Respona to suggest general and broad terms related to affiliate marketing. These will be used for finding relevant opportunities. In the unique aspect of your company field, briefly describe how your tool or service compares to the competitor your prospect is mentioning and why they should mention you alongside them. For example, we're going to say that, contrary to Ahrefs, Respona automates the entire partner recruitment process in minutes. It's the highest rated outreach tool in G2. This, along with the next field, will be brought into your email sequence. In the incentive field, tell the prospect what they will be getting from adding you into their content. In our example, we'll be offering a free trial of Respona, inviting them to join our affiliate network, and of course, providing all the assets needed to update the article. Click on Use this template to get into the campaign editor. First up, let's spice up the default template to increase our chance of success by avoiding spam words, adding an unsubscribe link, and setting a friendly follow-up timer. Let's also add an AI icebreaker variable, which will automatically generate unique personalizations for each of the opportunities in your campaign according to the content on the recipient's website and increase your chance of getting reply rates. Next up, finding opportunities. For this strategy, Respona uses the Google scraper to find opportunities. It has already put together your search strings with advanced search operators, and you can also hover your cursor over the queries and click on the preview button to look at the search results before running the search. All you have to do on the screen is click continue and add some SEO filters to narrow down the results even further. Click continue again and you'll see that the context search is already set up for you. Respona will automatically seek out the most relevant employees for each website, such as the content or the SEO managers. The next setting relates to AI personalization. Here, you can provide additional instructions and prompts for your AI variables. We, for example, like to keep the reading level at around a 5th grade level and stick to short sentences with a minimal punctuation. Let's also enable the search to become recurring, which means every couple weeks. This will automatically rerun the search every couple of weeks, topping off your campaign with fresh opportunities on autopilot. Speaking of autopilot, once you click on Run Automation, results will start popping up on your screen in real time. You don't need to wait for the entire search to be completed, as Respona will send you an email once the automation is actually done. When you're ready, you can move on to the final step, review and launch. Here, you can make any manual edits and, of course, review your AI variables. In addition to email addresses, Respona also finds the LinkedIn profiles of your prospects. We recommend also sending them a connection request on the LinkedIn to create another touchpoint and increase the chances of getting a reply. Once the pre-launch checks are complete and the campaign is running, all that's left for you to do is look out for responses.